We can all use a little extra cash, and since many of us spend so much time scrolling anyway, you might as well leverage those fingertips and turn them into ways to make money from your phone. There are tons of apps, tools, and resources to help, but it can be hard to figure out which ones are good and profitable idea and which ones are a complete waste of time. If you're in this boat and struggling to break even, worry not. We're going to look at 11 of the best ways to get paid to use your phone, as well as some of the steps you can take to make it happen. Let's get into it. 1. Trade in your old stuff on Amazon. Here's another option for making money from your phone that involves selling belongings that you don't need anymore. This option doesn't earn you cash, but it can earn you gift cards. Amazon has a great trade-in program that lets you send in tech items like Amazon devices, video games, phones, accessories, and more. If your item is eligible, you'll receive an immediate offer for an Amazon gift card or a promotional credit toward the purchase of a new device. There are no fees, and Amazon will cover the shipping costs and send you a free shipping label. 2. Use an investment app. While you might be looking for some extra money right now, one of the best decisions you can make is to set yourself up for the future too. There are some awesome investment apps out there that can help you with making money from your phone today while also growing your values as you get older. 3. Sell your data. For some people, the thought of installing an app on your phone and selling your data is a bit of an invasion of personal privacy, but if you don't think so, this is one of the ideal ways to make money from your phone without having to do any extra work. For example, Nielsen is one of the biggest market research firms in the world. That's why they love to see what you do on your phone, and they're willing to pay you for it. With Nielsen's computer and mobile panel, all you need to do is download a secure mobile app. And that's it. The app will track and record how you use your phone, giving the company the valuable market research data they need. When you sign up, you'll earn up to $50 in points for gift cards. 4. Be a user testing participant. Brands want to know what people think of their products and services, and some of them will pay you to tell them your thoughts. User testing is a company that helps brands get this valuable feedback so they can continue to make their offerings better. According to the website, participants can earn $4 for a 5-minute user test and $10 for a 20-minute user test. For live interviews, you can earn anywhere from $30 to $120. To sign up, you'll need to answer some screening questions so that user testing can match you up with the relevant products and services to test out. Utest is another company to look into if you're interested in user testing. 5. Sell your photos. Love snapping photos with your selfie stick? Maybe you fancy yourself a bit of an amateur photographer with your new iPhone. Taking a few attractive photos could be all it takes to earn some extra money through apps like FOAP. FOAP is completely free to use, and you can sell and resell the same photos as often as you'd like. Photos sell for $10, and you can keep half the sale, $5. You can create your own portfolio of potential stock photos for companies or submit your snaps to missions. A mission is a task set by a bigger company in search of specific images. If you win the attention of the mission poster with your content, you can earn a decent amount of cash. 6. Run a Shopify store from your phone. Do you know that you can manage an e-commerce store from the palm of your hand? That's right. Shopify offers a mobile app that lets you access everything required to manage your store from your phone. You can also use the Shopify app to add products, manage inventory, fulfill orders, compare sales channels, talk with customers, and even keep revenue levels in check. Although you may need to set up your store on a desktop initially, once you've got your store up and running, you can use the Shopify mobile app to run your day-to-day store operations when you're on the go. Your smartphone offers a lot more than just opportunities to take photos and check in on friends. With the right strategy and apps, you can make extra income with your phone doing a bunch of easy tasks. Most of these tasks are things you're already doing in your daily routine, so it's easy to start making money and getting paid consistently.